So you're in an accident, you pull to the side of the road, the accident wasn't your fault. You call AAA, a truck shows up and says that they're here to tow your car. You ask them if they're AAA, and they said that they are, and lo and behold, it wasn't actually AAA. And they took your car to a different tow yard. And you come to realize where your car is, you show up at the tow yard, and they tell you you owe them $1,000. Keep in mind, it's only been in there for a day. What do? The tow company is holding your vehicle hostage for money. I fight the insurance company to make sure that they pay for any and all tow fees associated with the accident that their insured caused.